Howdy, 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 beeps. What's going on, guys? Man, it's been a little while since I've been out on the bike. God, it feels good. So it's like, at the time of recording, I think it's the 19th of December? Something like that. So yeah, we're very, very close now to the Christmas. I don't know why I called it the Christmas. We're very, very close to Christmas. So I wanted to make sure that I got out for maybe the last time in 2023. And luckily, it's still pretty damn cold, but it is at least dry. I'll go out, go on the cycle track, and have a little chat to you guys. And then secondary to that is just a huge thank you to all of you watching who are subscribed, because it's amazing, but like I haven't put a video out for a month because I was sick and it was icy and wet and rubbish. But in that time we actually managed to surpass 100 subscribers, which is just wild, because like, I had like a semi-goal for it, I guess, if you can call it a semi-goal. Try and get 100 subscribers by the time that, not as in the year 2023, as in the year I started the channel. And we actually reached that like 4 or 5 months quicker than I had hoped for. So a massive thank you to all of you guys that are subscribed. Gotta love traffic. So yeah, massive thank you to all of you that are watching, that are subscribed. I ain't gonna beat around the bush. Massive thank you to all of you that are watching and liking, even if you're not subscribed, you know, because it does help. You know, there's that good old YouTube algorithm to think about. But yeah, it's really cool. And like something that I never really thought about until very recently was like attracting, you know, companies and stuff like that to the channel. Because honestly, as much as I love this bike, and I think a lot of you viewers and subscribers like this bike too, it would be cool to, you know, review and have a ride on some other bikes. However, I'm not actually made of money, as much as I'd love to be. So actually acquiring those bikes is pretty difficult. So I'm kind of at the whim of kind of people that I know getting an electric bike, and then I can review it just like I did with Paul's. But you know, the bigger the channel gets, with subscribers and views and likes and all that kind of stuff, comes the opportunity to expand that and then give you guys a kind of a more broad overlook and the bigger spectrum of the kind of electric bikes that are out there, which will be really cool, really cool thing to do. So that's kind of a really good reason to subscribe. Because I'm not going to lie to you, I have already had a couple of offers, but they were from, I don't know, just, you know, kind of like sidest companies, you know, those a little bit rubbish e-bikes you see posted on Amazon. Yeah, I've had a couple of emails, people like, oh, we'll send you one of these so you can review. And like, I'm not being funny, but I don't just want to review a bike to get views or subscribers, if that makes sense. I want to review a bike because I find it interesting, and I think maybe you might find it interesting. That's the whole purpose, you know. So I don't want to review something. I'm only reviewing, you know, because someone asked me to, I guess. But yeah, if you are a good company out there who's making great electric bikes, you know, and you want someone to give it an honest review, that's the main takeaway point, is someone to make an honest review, because I won't lie, then, you know, hit me up. My email's on the contact page, you know, hit me up. Anyway, that's enough self-promotion. But yeah, so again, just going back to it, thank you very much for subscribing, watching, interacting with the channel as well, because that's really great, you know, leaving your comments and stuff. And for everyone out there who has commented on one of my videos before, you'll know I try to reply to every single one of them, and I think I have. You know, because I like having a good convo, if that makes sense. You know, I like having that kind of chat. Shit, I wanted to go right there. I guess I'll go right here. I think it goes the same way. It does. But yeah, so thank you very much for that, guys. Awesome. And then probably one of my last points, I want to say, I want to do something, you know, 100 subs, you know, for someone like me, or someone, if you've got a channel and, you know, you're under 100 subs, you know how difficult that is, and how amazing it feels when you achieve that. But you achieve that because of everyone else, you know what I mean? Like, you do your best to make good, engaging content, but at the end of the day, the people that get you this 100 subs are the 100 subs. So I want to do something nice, you know, and I was thinking about, someone commented before, like getting some stickers made, and I can do a giveaway, that kind of stuff. So yeah, I really want to do something. So yeah, I really want to do something simply to just say thank you. So if you can think of anything, leave it in the comments below. As I said, I'm not made of money. But one thing I'm definitely going to do is give away my old microphone set, my old wireless microphone set. You know, because I didn't use it before. It's a good microphone set. You've heard it on the channel many times. So yeah, I'll give away that. I'll get some stickers made, some stickers made. I don't know, maybe a couple of t-shirts, I don't know if it's that deep, you know what I mean? So yeah, let me know in the comments below. And then last but not least, news. So this is the last video of me riding a bike before Christmas. But that doesn't mean it's the last video before the new year. So you may remember, a few months back now, me and Zach sat at a local pub and discussed the Charging podcast, or the Charged podcast it was going on. So I've got some news. We are filming that this Saturday. So hopefully everything goes well, everything goes swimmingly, and I can get that out on Christmas Day. So if you're sat at home, you know, thinking about, you got a bit of free time on Christmas Day, or you're just relaxing, the Charging podcast will be dropped probably around lunchtime on Christmas Day. But yeah, so that's all from me, guys. Again, thank you very much for watching, liking, subscribing. 100 subscribers, thank all of you. Look out for the Charging podcast. And finally, Merry Christmas, and I hope you have an amazing New Year. See you later, and stay awesome.